All right, boys and girls, this is your weekly overview video. We are in week 15 and this is science. This is the week that we've returned from Thanksgiving break. And if you look at this week, you can see Monday and Tuesday are combined. That's because you're going to learn about rotation versus revolution and also the effect that has on day and night here on Earth. So there are two interactive notebook pages, this one right here on rotation and revolution and this one here on day and night that you will need to print. If you are unable to print those, then you can recreate those. You can kind of see them a little bit in this video. After you print those, then you are going to read pages 111 to 113 in your science textbook, and then follow along with these videos. Miss Curry is going to talk about rotation versus revolution and day and night, and you are going to work to complete those interactive notebook pages. Again, that's for Monday and Tuesday. Okay, sorry for that interruption. Announcement started. So when we look at Wednesday's folder, you have an interactive notebook page that you are going to need to print. And this one explains and focuses on Earth's seasons and what causes the different seasons here on Earth. So after you print that notebook page, then you're going to want to read pages 114 and 115 in your science textbook. There's a video that you are going to watch. It's just this link right here, and it will review what you learned yesterday. Then you are going to work again along with Miss Curry to complete that interactive notebook page explaining Earth's seasons. And I've also included a video here for you that I think you'll enjoy. It's by Bill Nye. I know everyone enjoys Bill Nye videos. And he just kind of walks through with more of a model and a good visual to explain the causes for Earth's seasons. When we look at Thursday, there is another interactive notebook page. I know it's a lot this week. This one is on constellations. Again, if you have to try to recreate these in your notebook, you can. If you're able to print them, then this is the page that you will print. After you print, you're going to read pages 116 and 117 in your science textbook, and then follow along as Miss Curry explains constellations. To wrap up this week on Friday, you are going to apply what you've learned about revolution versus rotation, the causes for day and night, and the causes for Earth's seasons and constellations to complete this Unit 3 Lesson 1 Sum It Up. So you can use your science notes and your science textbook. If you have any questions about this week in science, please let me know. And I look forward to a great week.